गुरुग्राम 11 अगस्त 2025। आंखों की समस्याएं आए दिन बढ़ रही है। स्मार्टफोन और कंप्यूटर के बढ़ते प्रयोग के कारण बहुत कम उम्र से ही आंखों में परेशानी होने लगी है। साथ ही लाइफस्टाइल में कमी और डाइट में पर्याप्त न्यूट्रिशन नहीं होने से भी इस तरह की परेशानियां बढ़ी है। ऐसे में सही एवं सटीक इलाज की जरूरत बढ़ गई है। इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए एडवांस्ड हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर आर्टेमिस हॉस्पिटल्स ने सेक्टर 51 गुरुग्राम स्थित अपने कैंपस में ऑक्यूलर प्रोफाइलिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्लिनिक ऑप्टिक का अनावरण किया है। इससे आंख की बीमारियों को सही तरह से समझने और सटीक इलाज देने में मदद मिलेगी।
But that said, at least as of now, also we can still get the quality issues to some of the eye banks here, right? I mean, what is the, how do we procure that, and how do you decide?
At Artemis, we have tied up with some of the eye banks in Gurgaon, Delhi, Karnal. And normally what happens is there's also seasonal trend. In summer with the hot weather and if the call comes, the donor call comes beyond a certain time, we find that the quality of the tissue may not be suitable for clinical purposes. So some of the calls become invalid or they cannot be, the tissue cannot be used. That's where, as you said, HCRP becomes very effective because the time lapse is almost minimized or negligible because we have the nursing staff, patient details, the cause of death, was there any sepsis. So all the things to just see if the patient is a potential donor or not, it becomes very quick to assess and screen through. And because the ophthalmology department is in-house, so we can quickly call up the eye bank we are tied up with. So I would say it's the way to go to have all the multi-specialty hospitals to have a HCRP program because that's the only way we can strengthen this eye donation process in our country.
Health. What we need is a retrieval program, and an institution like this, with average attendance being almost more than 1,000, we must make some arrangements. We must go ahead, start the process of donation, at least awareness to start with, and then finally we must be able to procure the eyes. It's not difficult if we really have a plan, and I will request all those people who are working here to get into this thought that